The Paris Olympic bronze medalist Rajindra Campbell has broken his Jamaican national shot put record for the second time in just over a month. Campbell produced an effort of 22.44 meters to win the event at Thursday's International Athletics meeting in Zagreb, Croatia, to better the 22.34 meters he had set at the Zaman Diamond League meet on May 23. Campbell defeated Italy's Leonardo Fabri 22.21 meters and New Zealand's Tom Walsh, who took third with 22.42 meters on countback. Campbell is now responsible for 9 of the 10 best marks by a Jamaican man in the shot put event. Meanwhile, the meet culminates on Friday with 5 Jamaicans in action, including two-time Olympic double sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah. Thompson-Herah is down to contest the women's meters, where she'll face fellow Jamaican Brianna Liston and Poland's Iwa Swoboda, as well as Zoe Hobbs of New Zealand. Newly crowned national champion Stacey Williams will contest the women's 400 meters, while two-time world championship bronze medalist Rochelle Clayton will line up in the women's 400-meter hurdles. And in the field, 2019 world champion TVJ Gale will compete in the men's long jump.